Hello, everyone. Now that we have already known the basic knowledges about data structure, data types, the control flow syntax and R, we can conduct most of the analysis process. And before we go to explore the data and to conduct statistical analysis, we also need to do something called subsetting. Okay, here's the example of subsetting. Is really a basic data operation. So let's again, first we clear the memory here. We load the package data table. And how can we create a data structure, a table, a rows and columns, right? We can load from import. We can also create by ourselves. So here's how I create a fabricated data frame or data table. Okay, we have citizen, age, education, race, satisfaction score, comments, and we create this survey data. Okay, and we try to convert education into sector. So this data will look like this. So that's let's click this one. So this is the data we just created. We have citizen ID 1 through 4. You can treat it as a Hong Kong ID. Okay, something like that. I just use 1 through 4 to identify a different person. And for each person, I assign a fake age. They're supposed to be like in this age, and also education level. They put a satisfaction score over some kind of survey questionnaire towards their government, and they made a textual comment here. City is good, awful. They don't care about us. They're not that good, but I get paid well. So it's okay. So compared to community distance payment, what's the difference? What's the payment and estimate? It is not a bad city. So still so thing. Okay. Then we took a summary. Summary is a very good function, a system-defined function to see the information, right? We can see citizen ID is a numeric from 1 through 4. They have min, max, median, mean, and first quartile, third quartile. Quartile is 25%. Okay. Age is also a number. We have youngest 18, oldest 40. Education level have 1 bachelor, 1 high school, 2 master degrees. Satisfaction score is also a number. Comments, we have a length of 4, so 4 comments with all textual data. How we subset? So age, you can see age is a vector. Subset of vector, just put a number position here. Okay. Then L is a list. How can we subset list? Instead of 1 bracket, we use double bracket to subset list. Okay. And we can see the entry of the list. The second entry of the list is education, which is character vector. Okay. That's just an example. Now let's load the data here. Okay. 0, 1. Okay. How can we subset a column? So we just open this again. Okay. This is original data loaded by this CSV file. Okay. The original data is like this. We have 573 observation rows, 17 variables, 17 columns. Right. Now we want to subset columns. We can by position of the column. Okay. You can see only those 4, 2, 3, 4, 6 columns selected. We can also by column names. Again, column names. Case ID, source, county, department, status. Okay. Here, how we subset rows. We put row numbers with a comma here. See, we only keep 17 rows, right? Yeah. Okay, 1 through 17, 1 through 17. We only keep 17 rows. You see, 17 observation. Originally, it's 573. Now we only have 17. Okay. We can subset rows by row name. Okay. See, row name 1, 2. Okay. 2 rows. Okay, with row 1, row 17, subset okay, by row name. We can add column, add a new column. Okay, new column 1, new column 2 to original one. We can add a row. See, we have 1, 2. We have 3 rows here. We can remove column. We use this NOR to remove column. Okay. So we can see the original one, we have 17, right? But in remove column, let me see. I have to remove them. Okay. Let me go back. It should not be 17. Something wrong here. Okay. Let's go back. Root back. Okay. Name. CSV. You see 17 column. Then we assign remove. All right. Then we name. Right? 17. Now we have 13, 14, 15. 17 minus 2. Remove 2 column. No case ID, right? No source, right? Starting from department. So we remove column, okay? Remove column in new data. It's the same, just remove the column, okay? We can also using remove column by assigning null to a specific column, use a $sign, okay? Okay, remove rows. Here we use a minus sign to remove all the rows after the second row, okay? You will see it here. I only have 2 rows now. Merge data, okay? We have first data, second data, right? First data, let's say it's called demographic data. We have citizen ID, race, and gender. Second data is a new person. Okay, we add this row 2. So we have the row 5, okay, 2 previous data. Okay, we use the function called rbind, row bind, okay, demographic data. Now demographic data have 5 instead of 4, right? We can also merge by column. So we merge survey data previously. We have survey data. We just, create this survey data, right? We have, ID, age, education, satisfaction, and comments. And we also have this demographic data, right? We have ID, race, gender, but we have 5 citizens here. We only have 4 citizens in our survey. So we need to specify all x equal to true, which means the first entry rows will be reserved. And all the y equal true, which means the second entry of all the rows in second entry will be reserved. So we can see the first one, new data, reserve first one, okay? We can see new data, we only have 4 citizens, okay? But if we, keep everything in y, in demographic data, 5 citizens, then we will have an NA, because citizen 5 did not, sign up any survey. So it's all NA missing value here, NA missing value, okay, white, okay. So here's all the basic R operation. In the next video, I'm going to conduct descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and regression models using an example.